information naman na gagamitin po ninyo sa inyong Mac call next week, okay? By Monday. So today, nagkaroon po tayo ng airlines ticketing. By Monday, guys, you are going to have there your hotel booking naman na po tayo, okay? So hotel booking na tayo. So listen guys, dito po, ayan, dalawa na po ang authentication ninyo. You are going to have there your main authentication. For security reasons, may I have your folio number. Alright? So doon naman na po tayo. Folio number naman na ang gagamitin natin. And that is 0900261. Okay? Again, for security reasons, may I have your folio number in order for me to pull up your account information. And then, pagkatapos niyan guys, syempre we are going to build rapport with our customer, 'di ba? Ayan. And then, after po nating makapag-build ng rapport with them, you are going to ask for additional authentication. So, Miss Gara, for additional authentication, may I have your ID number for your driver's license. So, kailangan kunin din ninyo yan. And that is A0108123456. Okay? So, yan po yung ating ibibigay. Ngayon, ang pangalan ng customer natin, guys, is Gara. That's the first name. It's Golf, Oscar, Tango, Tango, Alpha. Okay? Last name po ng customer natin is Go. Now, ma'am, paano po yung sa company name? So, for the company or for the hotel name, guys, kayo na po ang bahala doon. It depends on you kung ano ang gusto nyong ipangalan sa hotel. Okay? For example, thank you for calling Hotel de Luna. This is Anne. May I have your first and last name, please? Okay? Bahala kayo sa pangalan. Okay? Now, let's go with the hotel room. Ayan, na nabook po ng customer natin. So, for this one, the room number is 204. Wala pong magsasabi ng 204. Okay? That is very informal. This is 204. Ngayon, ang rate type po ng room ng customer natin is a double. And then, ang notes po sa room ng customer natin, it is a non-smoking room and it is near a balcony. Now, your customer's check-in or date-in is on March 18, 2009. Check-out is on March 24, 2009. They are going to stay in your hotel for 6 days and dalawa po sila. Okay? Dalawa sila. For that one, guys, ang ating rate per period is 998 pesos and 99 cents. That is how we are going to read the money. And